Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video I'm going to talk about NASDAQ Composite, or we probably it this known this with the ticker of COMP. So why I am thinking that the NASDAQ Composite is going to be you know leap through other indices, and it's going to be the biggest index in terms of returns in the time to come, probably in the next 3 to 5 years. Why I'm saying, or why I'm thinking like this? And instead, everybody knows that most of the indices are taken through by very few stocks. Basically, when I'm talking about technology, those are only the FANG stocks. But there are critics and there are supports as well, that they are probably the revenue generator or the growth enabler companies, and they know how to generate revenues. Okay, and it doesn't matter whether there is a health crisis or economic crisis. Data is the key, and the way we are consuming the data and the surroundings, whether we are buying things which is related to knowledge, or whether we are buying things which is related to grow our business, or anything you can think of, everything is available online, and there are products or there are brands which facilitate those kind of things, and they are the biggest company, so no doubt about that. But there are some critics who are saying that how long can they sustain. So probably that is the thing we need to understand, that the kind of currency devaluation that is going on, and the kind of advantage, data advantage, or the technology advantage this company have. So one must think that what is the alternative right now, and can anybody or even a government make these kind of business models? No, government can't do that. Okay, and those analysts who are saying, so can they give a surety? I'm not saying that it's not going to fall down and blah blah blah, these kind of thing, negative things. But what I'm saying is, nobody gives a surety that this is the end. Even that the stocks which are running very fast for next 5 to 8 years, or probably after 2009 crash, 2008-9 crash, are not going to continue their business growth or share price growth like this. Why not? Because the kind of business model they have, the kind of ideas they have, the product they are launching without doing anything. Once the model is set up and you are in such a position that without doing much effort, because of the technology and the data, you are generating revenue, and you are generating, most importantly, you are generating the cash flows. That's why we are talking about future trillionaires, not billionaires. So why not? So in that sense, I am saying, or what I am thinking, that NASDAQ is going to be the biggest beneficiary, and it will move much faster than other indices. Obviously, it will have a rev up impact on other indices if the constituents are available, like in S&P, maybe not the Dow, but you will see these things. And I'm keep on saying, if you see my previous videos on NASDAQ, I have a clear view since 2016 or 17 that this index is going to outperform others. So we are going to see the long-term chart. So this is the long-term chart of NASDAQ, and you can probably see. So this is a very simple chart. There is I don't want to push my brain to think and do anything which is not available in the chart. Obviously, you do things which are available rather than you are doing things which are not available. So if the things are available, we are going to use those data points. Okay, so just see here, and this is a very simple chart, and I am very clear that things are, the probability of things that going in my favor are very high, because it is happening right now. it does not matter that what the hell is going on across the world, but some stocks are pushing the indices higher. And I know that a developed market like USA, United States, there the kind of, you just cross check the technical analysis, and you will find that because those are basically machine learning and all. I don't know whether that is the most accurate reason, but it will support the technical analysis like anything. You will find the, if you know how to make your levels, so you will found very surprising that how beautifully and each and every patterns get remarked, and prices are moving accordingly. So this is the chart what I'm talking about. And if I see here, you will see that this is the line what I'm talking about. Whether it is you are saying 27,000, or whether you are saying 33 or 34,000, this is the line what I'm talking about. Okay, and I am very much sure that the stock or the index, I'm sorry, the index is going to be there in couple of years, and this time is going to be very fast. This time is going to be very fast. Why I am saying it's going to be very fast? Because we have never seen this kind of money flows across the world, and there is only one financial instrument with which you can gain, or with which you can earn this kind of returns, and that is equity. Okay, and the businesses which have the ability or the capability to generating cash flows, obviously they are going to be the beneficiary of this thing, and there is no doubt about that. The problem is, if we start overthinking, things could crumble for us, and it doesn't matter. Okay, so if the market is not falling, why are we keep on saying that the market will fall? Obviously it will fall, but if you check, just simply see the long term trend. I mean, you just show me, means we have to, at the end of the day, we have to respect the price. Okay, so and if the price are not saying that it's going to be down, why are we keep on saying? And I am not saying that it's not going to happen, but it's not going to happen right now, that's what I'm saying. And there is no evidence in the long term chart which will say that it's not going to go up. You can see here. Okay, for technical purposes I make this line that if it grows below 6,200, obviously it will fall down to 3,000. But the kind of movement and strength this chart have, obviously you can just make sure that the probability of going higher is very high right now. And because the companies which are pushing, and the technology after this crisis, health crisis, the technology companies are going to be the big beneficiaries across segment and across industries. It doesn't matter, because there will be a rub off effect. And if you check the, if you just remove the FANG stock and check the kind of multiples the IT or technology companies are trading over a period of time. Let's say, because I am tracking Indian market, so in Indian market, it's after the TMT crash, it's never gone above a certain level of 20 times, and it's completely compressed in the past 10-15 years. So probably this is the time that technology companies, those who are tech guys or those who are supporting tech guys, there is a very high probability that they are both going to beneficiary of this kind of situation in the times to come. And I am reiterating that this line, just remember this line, 23,000 to here 31,000, whatever, wherever the line touches. And here if it touches this line, then 24 to 35, 36, wherever the line touches. And there is a very high probability that at least this index will go higher in the times to come. So this is my prognosis or thesis, or means hypothetical situation, and the base on which I have expected that this price is going to happen, and it's going to happen very fast. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you indeed have something in your mind, do like, share, and tell us what you're thinking about this subject and the stock, and what are your thoughts. Thanks for watching.